welcome. And if you are seeing me for the first time or you are coming across us for the first time, my name is Vworld. Here we talk about everything that has to do with nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and we teach how to manage your company and everything. So this is my first live session. You understand? So if you come across this, let me know your name. If you are joining us, let me know your name, where you are watching from, and if there's any question you want to ask us, understand, you can drop it on the comment section. So let's be waiting for others to join. So um as you're waiting for others, I'm going to tell you what we are going to be doing today. So today we are going to be learning everything about nylon. For example, if you have a question you want to ask, and there's something that has to do with nylon, you ask in the comment section and I'll be replying. If you are finding it difficult to set your machine, understand, you can let me know here and I'll help you set your machine. And if there is anything you understand you are finding difficult, I'm here and I'm here for you. Understand? Let me know at the comment section. So you are welcome. Crypto, you are welcome. Good morning. You are welcome. Here, this session I want it to be interactive, you understand, and remember that we all are learning. You understand? If there is anything I don't know, another person might know it. You understand? You can ask your question, and if I don't know it, another person here might know it, and the person will answer you. You understand? So I just want us to discuss, do a live discussion, understand, on anything that you are finding difficult. You know what is bothering you about the business. Maybe you have started or you want to start. You understand? You know what you are finding difficult. You understand? You are welcome. Ade, you are welcome. So I'm waiting. As we are waiting, so another thing we are going to learn today that is very important is nylon sizes. Understand? Different sizes of nylon. You understand? So different sizes of nylon is what we are going to learn today, and how to produce good gauge. You understand? In production of nylon, you know there are different types of nylons, and their gauges. You understand? What matters most in nylon production is gauge. You understand? The reason why you see this nylon light and you see the other nylon very thick is the gauge. You understand? It's the gauge. So in production, if you are not careful in nylon production, you might not get normal gauge that people like. You understand? And that is the challenges, one of the challenges, biggest challenges in nylon production. Understand? So today we are going to be discussing challenges in nylon production too. Understand? Because in nylon production, the business, as far as the business is profitable, the business also have challenges and disadvantages. We are going to be discussing the challenges. Understand? Right here. So you are welcome. If you are just joining, you are very welcome to this live session. This is my first live session, and here we are going to be discussing everything about nylon. If you are just joining us, let me know your name, where you are watching from in the comment section, and your question, anything you want to ask. Understand? If there is anything you want to ask, let me know. Let me know at the comment section. You all are welcome. Is that in nylon production? In nylon production, you don't need specific amount to start. That is the truth, because all fingers are not equal. You understand? So if you start waiting to get that amount you want, you might not actually want it. Terry Stone, you are very welcome. So I'm going to reply your question. Let me finish it at this. So in nylon production, you don't need specific amount to start. So all you need is any amount you have. For example, from like 100,000, you can start the business, you understand, because you start from the amount you can afford. Unless you want to purchase machines, you understand, unless you want to purchase machine, you can buy the manual ones, you can buy the automatic machine, and then you start the business. But if you have 200,000 naira, you can buy the business. If you have 100,000 naira, sorry, you can start the business, you understand. You can start with buying in kilograms. There is what they call kg. You can start in buying in kg. Then when you buy your kg, you repackage and be selling, you understand, like small scale, you understand. But if you have like 500 to 1 million, you can also start, you understand. So unless you want to purchase the machine, it's machine that is little bit expensive, but the manual ones are little bit cheaper. So Terry said, I am currently contemplating if the nylon business is a good one to invest. What's your advice? Yes, nylon business is very good to invest in, because nylon production is production business is a everyday stuff, what people use every day, and it doesn't have season. And it's not when you say that today I did not sell, that it will spoil tomorrow. And nylon business is, the only thing is that many people are in nylon, you understand, many people are into nylon production, but still people are still looking for nylon, you understand, people are still looking for nylon. It's not seasonal stuff, you understand. I will advise you to invest on it, you understand. The business is very nice. Like I said, today we are going to be discussing both the advantages, you understand, in the business, and disadvantages, the challenges they face. Though there is quite some challenges they face in nylon production, there is challenges they face in nylon production, but I assure you that the advantage is way bigger than the challenges they face in nylon production. And those challenges is what we can overcome. That is if you know the key step, understand. That is if you take advice from somebody that is already in the business, you understand. So if you are just joining, let me know at the comment section where you are chatting from, and your question, anything you want to ask, understand, let me know. I'm trying to join people, but I don't know, I'm trying to join people, so I'll be seeing you people's face too. Can you tell me more about the machines? Okay, about the machines, they have manual machines and they have automatic machines, you understand. They have manual sealing, they have manual cutting machine, they have automatic machine, you understand. Automatic, the one they constructed here in Nigeria, like Onitsha made machine. They have foreign machine too in the machine, and those machines have what they call the voltage and all these things. So those machines is good to produce nylon, but the only thing is that what have advantage have disadvantage. For example, the manual machine is good, but it's stressful. I can't lie for you, I don't feel lie for you, it's very very stressful, you understand. So if you have money, go for automatic, but if you doesn't have money, you can start with manual till you upgrade. But now my advice is, if you instead of you to buy that manual cutting and sealing machine to use it to start production, like start producing nylon, just start buying in kg, you understand. Just start buying in kg, you understand. So what you can do is, what you sorry so what you can do is, you can start buying in kg, what they call kg. When you buy the goods in kg, they will measure it, then when you go, you repackage and sell. Then that manual machine should be, you need it, it should be like after packaging your nylon, you don't use it to seal it, you understand. Use the manual machine to seal it. Kg is just difference of 200 naira or 300 naira. So somebody said, another question, somebody said, can you tell me more? Okay, I've answered you. You said, this one said, the types and amounts. Is it types of nylon? Please be specific, so that I will be knowing what to do. Be specific so that I will be knowing what you are talking about. You said, can I talk to you on WhatsApp? I'm live now. Should I leave the live? I'm live, so I want to attend to everybody, because if I should start doing it one after the other, it will be difficult for me. I'm trying to, I don't know how to, I'm trying to join others. Can you request to join? If you are here, can you request to join the live, like face to face? I want to be seeing you people face to face, hearing your voices. Is it possible? Like, can you request to join? Somebody should request. Try it. Let me know, because I think you people are the one to request, so that I'll be seeing your faces too. Or is it not possible? So so now I'm going to be talking about, as we wait for other questions, I'm going to be talking about, okay, so let me answer this question. It said types and amount. So the types of nylon we have big handless, like this type of handless, the big one. We have big one. This one is also profitable and it moves fast, because when you buy one bag of one paint of garri, is this thing they are going to put it in. If when you buy one paint of rice, this thing, almost everything we buy in the market make use of this one. Another type is the small one, the small leather that doesn't have hand. You understand? In some areas it's the one that have hand that moves. You understand? Even that one, that small one that have hand, it also moves. You understand? So we are going to be talking about the challenges in nylon production. In nylon production, the challenges first, the number one challenge they face in nylon production is light. And that without light you cannot produce now. It's not possible. It's not magic. So, and if you start buying fuel is very expensive in Nigeria now. You understand? If you start buying fuel, I don't think we can, like, there will be a profit. You understand? So light is number one challenge they face in the business. You understand? If there is light, I don't think there will be any other challenge. But in Nigeria and light now, how light is in Nigeria, how they used to bring their own light. You understand? You are welcome. If you are just joining, just let me know at the comment section where you are chatting from, and the question, anything you want to ask me, you can ask me, and I'm here for you today. I'm going to answer any question you have. Don't forget to like the live session. Don't forget to hit this like button, please. Okay, so the challenges, as I'm talking, as I was saying, light is major problem in nylon production. So without light you can do nothing. And in some cases, for those that have recycling machine and blowing machine, when you are working and they took light, you understand, so when they bring that light again, that place that you stop, all of them is automatically waste. You understand? We are going to start after. In some cases in Nigeria, when they took the light and bring it again, you understand, when they took the light and bring it again, it will, after setting the machine and removing those waste, immediately they will now take it again. You see, all those things is challenges they face in the business. You understand? That is where you see some these small scale producers. That is when you buy the roll, when you are producing, you'll be noticing that in some parts they cut it. You understand? Some parts will be small, some parts will be big. That is the challenges the big producers face, where that is light issue. Understand? Then another challenge they face in this business, the nylon production business, is resources. Some people face money problem, like money, capital, and some people face, you understand, place that they are going to stay. You understand? That's another issue. Some people now they will see location, like the place might be small, because there are some nylon production machine that is very big. You understand? That cannot even, I don't know how to explain it. You understand? There is some nylon machines that you see that is very big. You understand? And some people is capital. And that is another challenge that people are facing, because people know what they want in the business. If you are just joining, can you like the live session, comment, let me know what you are finding difficult, and can you request to join me? I want to be seeing you people's face too. Can you request to join me? I beg. Somebody should try. Hello, you are welcome. Oh, your name is Bonata. You are welcome. I don't know whether I got it, so you are welcome. So another challenge in this business, you see, workers, especially for big producers. Jesus. Especially for big producers, workers is what Jesus. They are men Bright, you are welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning. If you are just joining, can you like, comment, let me know where you are watching from, and ask me any question you want to ask. I beg, I want to be seeing you people's face. Can somebody request to join? Please, can you like the live session, and let me know where you are watching from, and the question, anything you want to ask me, let me know. Bright Nwatu, you are very, very welcome. So we are discussing about challenges in nylon production, and if there is any question you want to ask apart from the challenges, like how to set machine or anything you want to ask, can I you can ask me. Somebody says shake it first. I should shake what? What do you want me to shake? I don't know how to add people. Like, I think it's the people that are supposed to request to join. I don't know. This is my first time. This is my first time of doing live video on YouTube, so I don't know how to do it. I've not gone live on YouTube before. It's TikTok that I know. Understand? So I don't even know. So please, if you are just joining, like the live, comment, let me know. I want to be interested. I'm not seeing people's face. I want to be somebody said, why don't you know? Because this is my first time. You understand? I cannot know everything. That's the truth. Somebody cannot know everything. You understand? Since I'm not seeing you people's face, I want to be seeing your comments so that I will know that I'm interacting with people. You understand? So ask me your question here, and I'm going to reply you. If it's something you want me to show you, I'm in the factory now. Let me show you people around. I'm in the factory now. If you want me to show you anything or teach you anything here, or how to set any machine, I'm going to teach you. If you want me to teach you how to package nylon, I'm here for you people. So I'm going to do it. You understand? I'm going to do it. So all I want now is your question. Just disturb me with your questions. You understand? And I'm going to answer. If you want me to help you set any machine, like I said, I'm in the factory. You understand? I'm where we used to package goods. So I'm going to help you, show you what you want me to show you, then teach you what you want me to teach you. Understand? As you can see, here is becoming noisy. Understand? So let me know at the comment section what you want. Teach you what you want me to teach you. And here I'm in the factory where we package, so I can go there, teach you, show you what you want me to show you. Just like and comment. So it's only your comment that I'm seeing. So as I was saying, challenges we face here is another challenge is workers. Those people they are something else. In Nigeria now, nobody wants to work. That's the truth. Nobody wants to work in Nigeria. Somebody said, how can one set up automatic sealing machine? Okay, I'm going to teach you now. Have you buy the machine? Reply me. Have you buy automatic that you want me to teach you now? Have you buy it? Because I'm going to the machine now to teach you. Have you buy the machine? Let me know. So it's workers. Nobody wants to work in Nigeria again. The challenges we face here is that now production, especially those that have big factories, that for example you hire somebody now, the person is a novice, the person might not even know how to operate the machine, and you take your time teach the person how to produce, how to operate that machine. Later the person that you brought to and taught how to operate that machine, you just kukuma be behaving somehow because the person thought that he or she have arrived. You understand? The person will just kukuma leave you or even be behaving somehow so that you'll be tired of the that material stuff is what, especially like if you have money you want to invest on this business, in this nylon production business, I will just advise you to buy recycling machine. Understand? I will just advise you to buy recycling machine. If you have money you want to invest in the business, just buy a recycling machine. If not, If not, especially if you have blowing machine, you don't have recycling machine, you see shege. Because I'm talking out of experience. We have blowing machine, we don't have recycling machine. You understand? When you buy this material and test it, you find out that the material you bought is not good from A to Z. None of the material is good. What will you do? Your money. Now, like, that is the main challenge, especially all these people that have blowing machine. At least blowing machine is a little bit cheaper than recycling machine. Recycling machine is very very expensive. That is why everybody cannot afford it. But if you have money, you are a big investor. Like, there are some people that have money, not somebody like me. There are some people that have money. You understand? There are some people that have money to invest in the business. Go buy recycling machine before you buy blowing machine. But if you don't have money for blowing machine is good. But what I'm telling you is that there is this material challenges. It's very very, like, I don't, if it's the people that are speaking English, they will tell you it's very very diverse. Now oyibo abeg o, make I no speak wetin my so let's continue. Material is very very, like, it's very very, I don't know how to say it, but it's a very big challenge in nylon production. You understand? In the fact that you buy, there are some material you buy, it will not even agree to come out from the machine itself. The material will be disturbing people. You understand? So it's very very, I don't know how to do it. So material, so when you are producing, how you are going to identify some good materials is, what you are going to do in that case of material is, when you are buying in a company, don't do if you buy here, you buy here. Just look for one company that you know that is giving you what you want. So then just make sure you stick to that company that is providing material for you. You understand? Just stick to them that is providing material for you. So now, before we proceed, let's go and answer Bright's question. Bright, you said, how can one set up automatic sealing machine? Are you ready? I'm not seeing your comments so that I will know that you are even here. So that after wasting my time, you now tell me, come and teach me again. Are you ready? Are you here? Right, oh, are you still with us? Right, if you are here, let me know so that we will proceed, because now I want to go and set the machine for you, teach you how to set automatic machine. Are you here? Did you buy the machine from us? Did you buy the machine from us? Okay, Bright, you are here. You bought the machine from us, Abi? Okay, because we also sell all those manual machine and automatic machine. Then for the foreign ones, we help people buy. Somebody just joined. Sat. You are very very welcome. Just like the live session and comment. If there's any question you want to ask, just ask. We are in the factory now, so I'm going to teach you. So now, I want to answer Bright's question. Bright wants us to help her and set automatic machine. Understand? So let me go and help her. So if you are just joining, please like the live session, comment whatever you want me to teach you, and I will teach. If there's any question you want, anything that is bothering you in nylon production, if there is any challenging you are facing in your own, whether you have started or you have not started, let me know. So I'm going to do so. As you can see this machine now, Bright, I'm talking to you. Bright, as you can see this machine now, they are yet to set it up. This particular machine that I want to teach you now, everything is just scattered. You understand? Everything is just scattered. So now, Bright, what we are going to do now is, have you put your nylon roll, your white nylon roll, have you put it inside the machine? Just be typing fast so that I will know. So that I will know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to put my phone in a camera stand now so that you people will be seeing me. You understand? Where is that camera stand? Hi, Jesus. How am I going to set it now with one hand? Okay. So like, I'll call somebody to help me and hold it. So that is it. So Bright, we are here for you. We are here for you. So this measure, I'm going to teach you how to set it now. Oh, you are welcome. You are welcome. If you are just joining the live, you are welcome. You are welcome. Just like the live session and comment whatever you want to comment. And whatever you want me to help you, I'm going to help you with it. I'm looking for where to keep my phone. Somebody that I'm begging. I want to help me and hold my phone so that I will do what I'm doing. So this is my white nylon roll. This is my white nylon roll. So I'm trying to open it with one hand. You are welcome. You are welcome. Please, when you join us, like the live session, comment. Let me know. We have gone a little bit far, but I want to. If you just join, just let me know what you are finding difficult here in the comment section. Bright said, but I have fixed the nylon roll before. I left the place my machine is now. Why did you leave? Why did you leave? You asked us to help you and set up machine, and you left the place where your machine is. So you have already set the nylon roll. So what else now are you finding difficult there? What else are you finding difficult? $200. So let me know what you are finding. Bright, what else are you finding difficult? What else are you finding difficult? Let me know. Since you have fixed the nylon roll, what else? On your machine, if you can hear me, on your machine, when you on your machine, where you are going to on your machine is the switch. Understand? Something like this now that you people connect. Who connected the light for you? Something like this, you on it. When you on it, you find out that your machine is on here. You find out that your machine is on here. Understand? Where you are going to see this type of thing in your own machine, as you can see, this one is old machine. Is something like here. Used to be something like here. You know that your machine is already on. You allow it to heat. You understand? You allow your machine to heat. How you are going to know that the machine is ready for use is that the machine is be making noise. It will be making noise. It will be doing bam. After some seconds, you will hear bam. After some seconds, you will hear bam. Understand? That's how you are going to know that your machine is ready for use. Then once you're ready, you on it. You click on. You press on button. When you press on button, you allow it to become. When it come out small, you off it. Then bring out the nylon and check whether you set the size is good. You use your tape. You understand? Use your tape and check whether the size is good, and the razor, you understand, whether it's cutting well. You understand? That's what you are going to do. Just do it as I'm saying it now. Do it. Let me see. Just do it. Let me see. Right, are you still with us? You are welcome. Oh, if you are just joining, just like the live stream, comment, let me know what you want me to do for you, and I will help you do it. I'll help you do it. I'm here for you and you alone. I'm in the factory now. If there is anything you want me to show you, I'm going to show you. So just your comments. This is my first time of going live on YouTube, so that's why. Right, you said done. Okay, so what's next? What next are you finding difficult? Let me know in the automatic machine. I wish I can see you. What next? What next, please? What of what's the name? What's the name of that the other person that is following us? Bona. Bona, what are you finding difficult? Okay, you have not buy any machine, Abi. Sat, you, what of you? Have you buy any machine? Or is there anything you are finding difficult in the business? Have you start? I just want you people to start. Understand? Nylon business is what you can be learning and start. You understand? You don't wait till you finish your training before you start a business. You understand? You can actually start. You don't. You if you know you don't have money for machine yet, you can start. Okay, you talk. Okay, go make it. Okay, go make it. 900, 1,000. So, so that is it. Ke nke ịchọkwa na wee ya ka m weta ebe a. I'm coming to answer your question. Thank you. So sorry, you said I have. What did you say? When you are done with Bright, kindly show us how to use manual machine, the one a beginner can use. Okay, are you here? Let me show you how to. Then Bright say, what is the cause of having leakage on the nylon? Bright, are you here? Right, are you here? Let me finish with you. So Sat said when I'm done with you, I should teach him how to make use of manual machine. Right, are you still here? Right, you asked me what is the cause of having leakage on nylon. If you are here, right, I want to answer your question. Okay, the cause of having leakage on okay, Bright, you are here. The cause of having leakage in the nylon is maybe the temperature. Is the temperature. Understand, when you are producing the nylon, if the temperature is too hot and if the thing is too high, it can cause leakage to the nylon. And if it's not normal, if you didn't set the temperature normal too, if it did not seal well, understand, it can cause leakage to the nylon too. Understand? Where you are going to set, what you are going to do now is you know the place they are setting temperature, something like this. Understand? Something like this now. You will see it in your machine. This one is old modern machine, like I said. This type of thing now, you can see it here. Check your machine round. You see where this type of thing is. Something like this. You see where this type, something like this is. You understand? You see something like this in your machine. When you see something like this is where to set the temperature. This thing is what can cause leakage on nylon, because that's your question. You said what is the cause of having leakage on nylon. So when you set your nylon machine, especially this automatic, when you overset it, you understand, the temperature is too high, it can cause leakage to nylon. And when it's too low, it can cause leakage to nylon. So what you are going to do is to check, understand, set normal temperature, because there are some nylon roll you might buy thick one, because anytime you buy nylon roll, make sure you reset the temperature, unless you are buying from one source and they are using the same gauge. Even though you are buying some from one source, sometimes check, because they might use different gauge. You understand? When you buy your nylon, you check the temperature. If it's too thick rather than what you have been using before, you might increase another row, and that your row is a little bit lighter than on this thing from 200 to 2.5 or 150. You understand? Now what you are going to do now is check your temperature, check what the nylon is doing. When you're producing is any of them coming together like two, you see two coming out together, like it will require for you to tear it. You understand? If it's something like that, what you are going to do is increase the temperature. But if it's coming out one like the two that used to come out one like one, you understand, apart from where the razor cut it, what you are going, and it's still leaking, what you are going to do is to reduce the temperature small. Maybe if the temperature is here now, you are going to reduce it from here to half. You understand? Are you seeing it? See what, from here to here. But if it's just that the thing is coming like you see two, it will come out together, two will now you know that the temperature is low, you have to high it more. Just try it and let me know whether it's still doing the same thing. And when you, after setting your temperature like this, what you going to do is you off your machine. Call is coming in my phone. So when you, after setting your temperature, make sure you go back to your switch and do it off. Are you seeing it? You off and on it again so that the temperature will start. Not when you set your temperature you wait for, you leave it. No, for it to reset you have to off that machine from the switch. You off it and on it again. You understand? When you off it and on it again, then you wait for it small before you try again, check whether it's now normal. You understand? So right, go and check so that I will attend to other people now. This person said I have not started. Okay, this person said before I have not started. You said when you are done with bride, right, kindly show us how to use manual machine. Okay, this is manual machine. I want to show you how to use manual machine. Are you here? Let me know whether you are here before I know what I'm doing. Are you here? The person that asked I should that said I should show him how to use manual machine. Are you here? If you are here, let me know. Let me know so that we know what I'm doing. So I'm going to teach you how to use the manual machine for beginners. Understand? If you are a beginner, you can use manual machine. Somebody said, okay. Somebody said, I've not started. I have no machine yet. How do we start without machine? Yes. Let me answer the person that said, it's like you are the same person. So let me show you how to use manual machine. This is manual machine now. Let me bring out the nylon that I've already cut. There is nylon that I've already cut, but I did not seal it. Let me look. There is one thing. And if you are just joining the live, please like the like. Let me bring it. I need to be doing practical so that you see it. I need to be doing practical with you people so that you see what I'm doing. This thing is up, but I'm going to bring it down. Mama, please help me and hold this thing like this. Let me bring her. Just hold this like this. Help me and hold it like this. Comment in our job. Don't worry. Let me bring down my this thing, camera stand. Chair. Okay, sir. Don't worry. So I'm waking on and water here now. I'm waking on and water. Thank you. So, right, I'm still here. I want to teach you how to make use of the manual cutting first before going to manual sealing. You understand? So that's what I want to do now. So it's somebody that is going to hold the camera now, but I've already bring my camera stand so that I will not disturb anybody again. So let me put the phone there. God, I beg you. God, I beg you. I beg, exercise patience with me. I'm coming. Okay, yeah. I don't know whether you can you see it? This is manual machine. And this is the roller. Remember, I'm still answering right question. If you are just joining, just let me know what you want me to do for you. Understand? I'm going to help you and do it. Understand? Somebody said, but have fixed the number before. Yes, ma'am. Okay, it's still bright missing. Okay, so let me know what you want me to help you. So this is manual cutting machine. This is the roller. Understand? And this is the nylon rope we are going to use. This is the nylon rope we are going to use and do it now. I don't know whether you people can see me well here. And let me shift it. But that place is somehow. Is it clear now? So this is the manual cutting machine. Before you seal it, for those of you that want to start with manual machines, so this is my roll. I'm going to use this more roll as practical. Understand? This is roll that you buy from company. When you order roll from company, it will be like this. It will now depend on how many kg you want. Like this one is just small one that I have. Understand? You can buy 50 kg, 25. I don't think they said 25, but from 50 kg up, maybe some people might give you 25 kg. This is the nylon rope. Understand? Then what else? This is my manual machine. This is my roller. So I'm going to teach you how to cut it now. Then we are going to go and seal it now. As a beginner, if you don't have money for the automatic, you can put you can make use of the manual cutting. Let me bring the roller hand. Let me bring it. You know where it is. Something like this. I don't know that particular one. This is not the one we used to make here, but it's something like this that we are going to use and put here. You understand? Put it inside the roll like this. It's something like this. But let me look for it. Here is not my section. not see it though. The roller. I did not see it though. I've been looking for it. I did not see it. But what we are going to do now is to cut it. Look for how we are going to cut this thing. You understand? Assuming that I saw this thing, it's something like this, but not this particular one. You understand? Your machine, when you buy a manual machine, it's going to come like this. One, two. The manual cutting machine is going to cut like this. Understand? This one is not the size. If you can see it, it's not the size, but it's something like this. So when you come, what you're going to do is now you use this thing, the long iron. If this thing is open now, you put it here. Understand? And the thing will cross like this. So when you cross it, when the thing cross, you are going to put it like this. Understand? You put it here like this. Understand? And it will stand like this. So what you are going to do is to cross this thing. Understand? I've made video of that in my YouTube channel. It's here. How to make use of this manual machine. Understand? I'll still look for that stuff. I'll still look for this stuff. I don't know where they kept it. So when you are doing it, let me use mouth and explain it. So this one is, I'm finding this one difficult. So when you, after cutting it, and when you are cutting, look at the manual machine. You make sure that this thing, you set this thing with tape. You use tape and measure it. Understand? Make sure that you set it with tape. So I'm still going to do that thing when they see it. I don't like teaching people what they will not understand. So this is manual sealing machine. Okay. So this is the manual sealing machine. I don't know whether you are here. You are still here. Okay, bros, you said you have set up. Okay, thank you. So this is manual sealing machine. We are going to make use of it now. First of all, you on your switch. Look at the switch. Look at where they connected it here. You on it. When you on it, you see the thing is on already. Let me on it from here again. Then you on it. When you on it, you on here. Understand? See where I put my leg. Make sure you balance your leg like this. See my leg. And when you want to see, you do your leg like this. Once you do go down, you will see. If you are not seeing, you just keep your leg steady like this. Understand? My leg is there. Then another thing is to on here. This, look at this switch. Any machine you buy will come like this. You understand? You on the switch like this. Sonia, you are welcome. You are welcome. You said the picture is not clear. The roll is, yes, the roll I brought out is for big one. You understand? So let me know where you are finding difficult, and I'm going to clear you. You understand? So when you on the machine, look at where they set temperature. Unlike the automatic one that I showed you people, a manual machine, look at where they set temperature. You understand? Here is where they set temperature. If you want it to be if you want the temperature, if you want to set it on high temperature, here. If you want to set it low, in here. Understand? Here is what, when you are setting your temperature, you'll be looking at here. Understand? You'll be touching it. Understand? If it's very big, if it's very hot, you know that the temperature is more. Sometimes smoke will be coming out from it. Now let me increase the temperature so that you see what will happen. Let me increase the temperature. Okay, let me put nylon on it. I've increased the temperature now. See nylon. You see? Because the temperature is too high. Look at what it is. See? That's why I have to set the temperature normal. You understand? Okay, before we proceed now, this nylon is open. Oh. Can you see it? It's open. So we are going to close it and seal it. It's open. So now let's do it. Let me set the temperature normal now. let me seal. When you seal it immediately, you remove your this thing, your leg. Then let me open it. You see? I don't know how you can see it. Look at it. If there is any other question you want me to answer, let me know. If there's any other question, you let me know. I'm here and I will answer. If you are just joining, can you please like the live and let us know where you are watching from and the question you want us to answer. Let me go back to my seat and wait for your answers and start up the discussion. Like I said, this live is meant to be all about discussion. You understand? Live discussion. Tell me what you want or what you are finding difficult, and I will help you. And I'll help you do it. If you are finding anything difficult, let me know. Ask me any question. I'm here now. Ask me any question you want me to ask. Is there any other thing? Tonya, what do you want me to do for you? Ask question based on the nylon business. What are you finding difficult and what is the challenge? What is still holding you from starting up? As I want you people, after today, I want you people to just start. Even though you are still undergoing training, because some of you that is here, you are my students, right? So if there is anything you are still finding difficult, anything that is still making you not to start the business, I want you to start now. You understand? I want you to start the business right today. Just make order. You understand? It might not be from me, just area, any place close to you, and as any company close to you, you can make order and start the business while you are learning. You understand? While you are learning, you can start the business. You can buy by kilograms, by kg. You understand? See the scale they are using to measure it. You understand? When you buy in kg, like this, they will scale it. See the bags. Some of these bags that I say is somebody's order. You understand? When you buy, they will measure it and will bill it for you. You understand? When we will bill it for you, then you now use your hand and package it. As you can see, this is what I was packaging before I start this live. I was the one packaging all these things before I start this live. So this is what you can do. And I did not just produce this thing right now. It's because they it's because they produce it in our company and they push it down here where we package things. And they push it down here where we package. This is packaging house and manual machine. If you look at here, it's only manual machine that is here and that automatic machine one. And the other people are going to see here. If I enter the other section, you see that it's packaging they are doing there. You understand? So this is how they do it. Company will just sell it. For example, roll per roll is 1 kg of roll might be 1,000 something, 2,000, depending. Understand? But when you buy in kg, for example, they sold per kg of big one 2,000 naira per roll. If you want to buy roll, that is the one they have not cut. You understand? And when you want to buy by kg, they will put 200 naira or 300 naira on top. That is the company use their machine and cut it for you and seal it for you. Understand? For example, what we sell big and less kg now is 2,002 or 2,000, depending on the quantity the person is buying. Understand? But normal is 2,002. That 2,002 now, the company will tax it. If you want 5 kg, they will times 2,000 2 times 5, then we measure it and send it to you. Then you use your hand and package it and sell. Start your business. Don't wait for anybody. If you have 50,000 naira with you, don't wait. That is the mistake people make in business, because they wait. Keicho, Egon. So you understand? This is how you are going to do it. This is how they do it. So what else? Somebody said the audio is no longer clear. I don't know what is happening. Maybe it might be network. It might be network. Let me do some POS. Come on. So that is there any other question? I'm listening. Oh, how can we start? What do we need? So give me 1 minute to answer your question. So I want to answer your question. You said, how do we start? We are going to start today. How do you get them busy now? So you said, how can we start? I'm going to teach you how to start this business right now. Like, I need you people to start. Don't wait till you finish your training. Like, some people here have already started, like this Bright. Now, Bright bought automatic machine from us. And not only he, with some other person. Because the day I sent to, the day I sent like 2 or 3 people that day, Port Harcourt. You understand? In Port Harcourt. So you can actually start with or without machine. And Bryce now is undergoing training now, and he's learning and earning. Understand? So you can be learning and earning. You get? You can be learning and earning. So I'm free now. I want to answer your question. How you can start it? For example, you have 50,000 now, or you have 20,000, you have 30,000. I don't know your location. You understand? I don't know your location. Can I know your location, please? Who asked that question? Sat, can I know your location, please? For example, now you are in Enugu, or you are in Onitsha, or you are in Abia State. You understand? If you don't have access to company where you can buy the nylon by kg, you understand? Where you don't have the nylon, you can buy the nylon on kg. I can webi for you so that you start your business. There's this woman I used to webi from Abia State, Law Panther. Understand? Okay, your location goes. So there's this woman I used to webi. The woman started like after training her wholesale business. Sorry, what do you want? Can you talk good afternoon? Okay, out there. Yeah, 4,000. Yeah, baby. Okay, no problem. You see, that's the challenges. She said if the nylon she wants to buy, like the or Santana nylon, if it's not good, she will return it. Let me say, you people should give me few minutes. Please. Where is my scissors? So God. Where did I? Okay. So the woman, she bought after training her, she told me that the challenges she's facing is that, is it 1 kg? She told me that the challenge she's facing in the business is that you don't know where to be buying goods. That all the companies she contacted said that she must buy from 1 million or like, you understand, kg. They call it 1 ton or half ton, and that is normal thing they do. So it's normal. So because she's my student, what I did is that I started okay, Meche, thank you. Yeah. So what she did is that what I did is that as my training, and I want her to start, because not training, you understand, my own is that after the training, did you start the business? Because that will be my joy, my happiness, you understand. So what I did is that I started supplying nylon for the woman. Like last month before I traveled to village for my wedding, she called the day I was about to travel. She called, so what I did is that, good afternoon ma, what I did is that I supplied goods to her before going. She even make order of 40 something thousand goods, 50 something thousand goods, 30 something. And because she's my student and I don't wait for them to start buying like this. Before company will release goods for you, even list they will release something like this, which is worth 100 and something thousand. Okay, okay. So before they will release, list company will release, that is the truth, is something like this. So I used to do it just for them, but now you are in Lagos. Lagos is little bit far. Just come here to Ngalesi ya. Ma meche ku emeche. Ama m iru gị. Ọ dị ka ị na-egobu na KG. So you are in Lagos. Lagos is little bit far because I have already how are you? I've already sent goods to Lagos, but it's usually machines and the person will buy big. Unless you are willing to buy, you understand? So that when you are paying for the transportation fare, you understand? You know what you are paying. That is my advice for you. Jew, Abi Joe, sorry. Oh. That is my advice for you. Ndị nnukwu. So that is my advice for you. Before you we send goods from here to there for your own good, though it's not for my own good, you have to buy like big so that you benefit from it. You understand? You buy in kg. As you can see, this thing I'm about to sell to somebody now, look at these people, they are waiting for me to sell by kg for them. They are the people around here, you understand, around here where we sell in small wholesale for them, they will buy by kg. This thing is already cut goods, understand? This is already cut goods. Once they buy it, they go home and package it and sell. So I'm going, somebody wants to buy, you said half friend, yeah, okay. So this is it. I'm going to measure half kilo. Okay, street, how does it get so now? So she wants to buy. Yeah, we are new here, you understand? We shifted from our location, the packaging session. Good afternoon. But why on her phone? So I'm going to measure for her now. Look at my scale. Why on her phone? Look at my scale. So I'm going to measure for her what she wants and say to her, when she goes, she can now go and package it anyhow she wants. This is how KG works, you understand? You don't need to stress yourself. Then as you are learning, nah, fair. Then as you are learning, you can be saving money for machines, you understand? Because machine is good too. So that all those 200, you might think it's 200 by kg, just 200, but 200 is something in business. But for you, for a beginner now that doesn't know anything about machine, anything about the business, you are just learning, you understand? Buy kg first and start with that. You buy kg now and start. All these people here, they are waiting for me. They are waiting for me to sell this thing for them. It's a nice business. You can buy and resell in kilograms. You understand? You can buy and resell in kilograms. So I'm still waiting for questions. Yeah? Yeah, it's going to me and never. Yeah, we ever. You see, so that is it. Any more question? Any question? Any question? So now the engineer is here to fix that machine, that old machine. He's here to fix it. So we are going to do it together with him. Okay. So I'm waiting for your question. So I'm here. Your question. ite ahụ ofu. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Kita m bịara ịdị aka ọ bịa gba m uche. Nye m 100 na nye m 200 ọzọ. Ya, 400 ka m na-arịọ gị kịta. So I'm still waiting for questions. Somebody said I want to start direct production, so I will supply to wholesalers. What are the things I need? I want to start as minimal as possible. What my environment is lacking is production company. One?
Wow, 2 kg, 4,000.
Yeah. Mbari akpote ya ba, ke make sure ya.
If I'm double, I'm just in a child of that. Half kg of 4,000.
So you said I want to start direct production, so I will supply to wholesalers. What are the things I need? I want to start as. So what you are going to do is you buy machines now. Understand? Like I listed machines here. I said you can buy blowing machine, you can buy recycling machine, you can buy foreign machine, you can buy that locally constructed automatic machine like this one now that this uncle is repelling. You understand? You can buy it and start. You can even as well use manual machine to start. You understand? You can use manual machines to start so that you can be supplying to wholesalers too. Understand? This lady now, she's nylon production is very very profitable. This lady, this small girl, she's just doing her business. She buy by kilogram like this. She buy it, see her money. You understand? She's not here. She buy by kilograms. It's 2 kg. It's 2 kg. I put it in nylon. The nylon now. You understand? We go take away your pempe. We go take away. She buy by kilograms like this. Go home, package it, and go inside market and sell. So a lot of wholesalers go very far to get their nylon. So I have found this gap and want to bridge it. It's very very good. Just start. Buy your machines. Buy your machines and just start the business. You understand? Just buy your machine and start the business. And that's why I'm here. Like if you join us earlier, I was listing challenges we have in the business, but those challenges is what you can overcome. You understand? Those challenges is what you can overcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. 4,000. So those challenges is what you can overcome. You understand? Once you have the capital you want to start, the nylon business is very nice. Since you said there's no company close to you, buy recycling machine. You see recycling machine, even though it's recycling machine and blowing machine you buy, forget about other ones. You are already going far. But if you have money, you can buy the cutting machine too and be cutting like this, finishing goods. Then double rebound. Understand? So what else? I want to start with manual machine, then grow to using automatic. When you want to start with manual machine, so forget about attending to wholesalers. Reduce. Jidenka. Gote akpa ikpo echezie idoye ya. ₦15. Ị ga-eme befe na ikpoye ya itoye ya ị na-ebete ebe ka ikpoye m white ebe. So You want to start with manual machine, so I will advise you to forget about supplying to wholesaler. You cannot use manual machine. That is the truth. There's no way you can use manual machine. You understand? To you cannot even meet up to yeah. You cannot even meet up. Understand? You cannot even meet up with your own production. Talk more of producing the one you are selling. Talk more of wholesalers. Ofu, ofu now. What's gone?
45.
No, na middle. So what you are going to do is manual, just start producing for yourself. That keep going me here. Adam kolo 1 kg. So start producing for yourself with manual. When you grow, you understand, when you buy automatic, you can. So somebody said, please, if you are just joining, can you please like the live session, comment, let me know what you want me to do for you. Somebody said the woman bought in kg, can we buy black with hand in kg too? The truth is yes, but the difference is that the challenge we are facing in that black with hand is that the demand is much. You understand? The demand is higher than the demand is higher than the so demand is higher than the production, so we cannot meet up. That is the thing. That is the reason why you don't normally see the one that have hand in kg. Before you receive, you must be buying big. Understand? So that when they bring out time to do your own, it will be big. Understand? That is because many people that is making order for that the one that have hand, many people that is making order for it is usually those that is reselling like wholesalers. You understand? That's why we don't normally push out that the one that have hand is small unless you want to buy big. You understand? They can do it for you. Somebody said, I'm just joining now. You came late, but no problem. Just like the live session, comment whatever you want us to help you. Hope is it copper, Abi? This person that just joined you are copper. You have been telling me to teach you how to set up your machine and you came late. We have already gone far with that, but no problem. I can just recap. You just let me know the one where you stop in setting up. We have done that, and I already helped someone to set up his machine when I was sitting bright. We are not here, but let me know what you are still finding difficult there. If you are just joining, just hit the like button, comment, let me know. It's now black. Let me know. So what you are going to do now is let me know what you are finding difficult. I'm already getting tired, but please be fast and just drop your question. So somebody said, I just started my class with you. It hasn't been up to 2 weeks. I want to gain a little more knowledge before I start. Kindly go over what challenges the business has again. Okay, I've done that before, but I'm going to repeat it. Like I said, I'm here for you. All you have to do for me is to like the live session. Let me do some. Why provision? Hello, auntie. Manuma. Kind of. So I'm going to repeat it again. Sorry. Somebody said, kindly go over the challenges of the business again. So I'm here now. I'm going to go over to it again. Let me read somebody. I'm going to go over to it again. Good afternoon, ma. How about thank you. That's my agent and lawyer. Asamba and ha chọkwuru iwekwuru ebe ahụ sef ha na-agwa dị mma na akwala ya afọ ego a ga-akwụ ya ka anyị na-achọ gị ọkụ dịkwa nla ile iti mechi na wee ya anyị na-alụkwa ebe ahụ. So sorry for the interruption. Let me start again with the challenges. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. So the challenge, one of the challenges they face in this nylon production, like I said, is light issue. Light. Understand? Some of you, so many people want to start the production, but lights in their area where they are. Understand? Especially some of them now. Might find location, a good location, but light will be problem. Not sometimes when we say light issue, it might not be that there is no light in the area. Understand? It might not be that there is no light in the area where they are, but the truth is that the light that can carry that machine, the voltage of light that can carry that machine, that's why many producers go to industrial area. You see, that's why many, because if you can, it's not normal. The amount of light they bring to all these normal streets is not the amount they bring in industrial area. That is the challenging one, as in it's very this thing. So what's the number one challenges they face in nylon? Please, I'll be taking the question one after the other. Number one challenges they are taking in they are facing in nylon production is light. You understand? So another thing is some people, for big producers, is capital. Some of them, there is many opportunity in nylon production, but some people lack capital. You understand? So another one, let's be rushing it. So another challenge they face in nylon production is workers. Like I said, workers, those people, they are something else. To find nylon operators, those that operate big machine, is problem. And when you find the person might be feeling like God. They'll be doing as if to say they are God. And sometimes the boss hire people that doesn't know anything about the business just to train them. And when they come, those people come, after training them, they will start behaving somehow, and in no due time they will go. I have a case here. One of my students that I trained online that time, the lady bought automatic machine, this type of machine now. The lady bought it, and before the lady have a nylon business shop that time. The lady wasn't that time. The time the lady have not bought this machine, so she told me that she have a sales girl who is helping her. So the lady now see opportunity in buying the machine. She now go and register for the sales girl to learn how to operate this machine, so that after learning it, she now come and help her and be operating the machine. You understand? So after training her, the small girl left her. So she chatted me, and she was down. She wanted to give up in the business. I told her no. The mistake you made is hiring that, because all these employees, they are the challenges they face in this business. So there are another challenge. Sometimes you hire experts, you know, due time the person will leave, and that expert you hire might be producing good work. You understand? Good nylon, but later, you understand, when the person leave and you hire another person, the person might not know work, and that thing will even chase your customers away. So another challenge they face, that is another strong challenge they face in nylon production. So we are going to stop here now. Let me answer another person's question, because another person said, my mom has wholesale store at the market. Can I also cut the black with hand with manual bottom sealing machine and puncher and still profit? Yes, now if you have the manual cutting machine, you can, there's profit. There's nothing you are doing in nylon production that doesn't have profit. Imagine those that is buying in kilograms is gaining profit. And how much you that have manual sealing machine, there's profit. You understand? There's a lot of profit you can be gaining from it. Another person said, I'm seeing nylon in bags. Please, have you talked about packaging? No, but I've touched it more. I've not really talked about packaging, but I've touched it more. Like packaging, like I said, packaging is the simplest thing in nylon production. That's why you see somebody will wake up one day and just go to market and buy 2 kg of nylon and start packaging and selling. You understand? Packaging is very very easy. There's nothing there. If there is particular one you want me to teach you how to package, I will do it. Because this live session is coming to an end. Maybe we'll go in some other time. I'm tired already. To talk straight 2 hours, I be more than 2 hours now. What's the time? It started since 11. This is to one. I'm already tired sef. My voice is even cracking. My voice is even cracking. Um, if there is any other question, please, so that I will know whether we are going to end. Is there anything you want me to help you to package, like to teach to package? What of copper? You come on time. I'm already tired, and your own is machine. So what are we going to do? Are we going to schedule this for next time? Maybe tomorrow or next. Since 11 we start have been talking. So is there any other thing? What else? What else? What else? Originally, you are the one for me. You are the one for me. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for questions. Ask questions. Or did you ask? Does anybody ask question and I did not answer the person? Please, if you ask question and I did not answer, you can you repeat the question. Understand? Be a go check. Okay. Please ask your question. I'm tired. Let me go and look for what to eat. Now next time we continue. Any questions? Somebody said. This person said I didn't learn anything for today. You came late now. You came late. You came late. And what do you want to learn? I'm asking you now. What do you want to learn now? You came late. We scheduled this thing since yesterday, and I told you that it's by 11. So what else do you want me? Just I want you to learn, even though it's one thing today before we leave. The next time, if we come, we continue. Next time, if we come, we continue. Even though it's one thing, you understand? Ndị mmadụ na-achị ya n'ime. You said machine setup. As you can see, this we came here. This is not where we used to stay before, and as I just came here, and the engineer is fixing the machine. Before you came online, I have taught somebody how to do it, but now the person is here. I cannot do anything here now, unless is there any particular thing? Because before you told me, when you called me, I told you to chat the other our this thing worker that help you bought machine. You understand? I don't know whether the person you call the person. So where did you people stop at the setup, machine setup? Somebody said how much is needed to start this business. It's like Tony, I used to come and go. I explained this thing before. You used to do appearing and disappearing. So how much you don't need any certain amount to start nylon production business. Anywhere, any amount you have, you can start. If you have money to buy a machine, you can use it to start. If you don't have money for machine, you can be buying in what they call kilograms, kg. I showed it here. You understand? And start your business. If you have 50,000, you can start nylon business. If you have 100,000, you can start nylon business. But if you have money for machine, very fine. So I can't explain deeper now. I'm already tired. unless we will go for a break and come back in the evening, unless that would be okay. So somebody still asks, still on the manual bottom sealing machine, how do you cope with light? Can one use generator and still profit? Yes, you can use generator for the manual and still get profit, but I'm not advising you to do that. We have lights here 24 hours where I'm located. Light is not problem there, understand, unless the light spoil, understand, there is issue from the main source, but for them to bring it is not issue. We don't have light issue here for the manual, but generator can carry it. Solar, any solar that can carry fan, can carry TV, can carry the manual sealing machine. So another person asks, well, I'm cutting with my machine now. You already set up your machine now. Yeah, you just want to stress me. Because what are you saying? You already set up your machine, you just want to stress me. Hope the machine is not giving you issue. Once you buy machine from Vworld Nylon Production company, you cannot experience anything like issue. If you still want machine, we have machines to sell. Oh. Okay, Sonia, you say, how did we source buyers? I'll reply to you. Let me answer my mommy. My mommy is here. Good afternoon. Sister, okay. Sunday. Gloria. Ha nọ na mgbada. Ndị after taa. Very soon ha ga-akpọchi ebe a. Ebe a dị system. Ebe a nọ nke ọbịa nke ka mma. Fan na-eku. Mba, oyi na-atụkọ ebe a o. Lekwe window. Mgbe ihe oyi na-eme ma mgbanye fan ọ na-eku na ama agbanyụ ya oyi. Oyi na-emekwa ebe a. 20. Okay. Anọ m na live. Or white, good afternoon. Or white. Okay, now, yeah. It's about the Mawalia. I don't know. No, I'm busy. I have a Okay, I will get back to you people. Bye bye yo. So no be na mgbada ebe a nọ. Ibe kuzelu na. Sini kago bo aya kago ayi bu ndo ne. Ichari sini kago sino we ga kago. Okay ka dey young. Bye bye. So another question, somebody says, how did we source buyers? Is it buying from you? That one is not problem. Unless you are not located where people are moving, like, you understand? Unless you are located inside village, you understand? As long as your location is nice. You understand? Unless your location is not good. Buyers, nylon. Hey, nylon is what Igbo people know. What Igbo people used to say. Afioma na-elo onwe ya. Na n'ime bucket ahụ. Okay, block here, out 200 now. Wow, 100 naira. Maybe. Hey! gwara m ya 15 naira, ọ ndị obere bi edu 50. So ahịa ọma na-ele obere, so we don source buyers, so buyers will come to you and be disturbing you. So somebody said, please explain on the kg. Hi, Jesus. Where were you people when I was saying all these things? I'm getting tired. Can we go for break? Can we go for break? I'm tired. This is one. We started this thing by 11. Can we go for break? Kg, okay, let me explain. Kg, for example, this is your scale. You want to start this business, you want to be selling to wholesalers too and be selling in retail too. You must buy kilograms, whether this type or bigger one. When you on it, you wait for it to load. Once it's in 00, look at this white nylon is what somebody bought from me. This person wants 1 kg of white nylon. I've already cut it, so let me scale it. You see, once it's like this, you know that it's 1 kg. You sell it like this 1 kg. The one they have already cut is 4,000 naira here. Once this person come, the person will give me my money and carry it. The person will now go and start packaging it anyhow the person wants and start selling it. That is what kg is. You now, if you don't have machine, or you don't the one that you are not producing, you want to be buying in kg, you can buy as big as you want. Like this one now is somebody's goods. It's kg. If you see what they wrote on it, big and less, they write 8 something kg on it. You understand? This is how the company will just put it in scale like this. Anyhow, if it's 80 kg, 50 kg you want to buy, they will just package it like this and send to you in your area. Once you receive it, you start packing. Let me bring out this one now. This one is big and less, the one they have already cut and sealed. So you don't need to stress yourself in cutting and sealing. That is what kg is all about. When you receive it, you can still be selling to wholesalers and be packaging, because how you are going to be selling in wholesale. Look at this one now. This one is the one we are selling to wholesalers. Anybody that come, any amount you want, I will just put it there. You see, this one is close to half kg. If you want 2 kg, I will just put it here, measure and give you. That is what kg is all about. That is what kg is all about. So what question? So please, we are going to stop, please, in the evening, if I have time, or tomorrow. I'm tired, please. Sonia say, if we are starting in big way. I don't understand your question. If we are starting in big way, please write it in full. Somebody said, please let's go live again by evening. That will be okay. God bless you. Let me rest for now. Or that in the evening. I'm not sure, Sha. This one say, thanks for coming live. Please do more of it. We get to interact with you more. It's not coming live. Will you be active? So that I will not come live and be talking to myself. If you are going to be active, I'm ready. So we are going to, I don't know when next we are going to do. Today I'm not sure. You understand? I can't tell you today, but I'm not sure. But let's check. But anytime I'm going to come live, I will let you people know. Maybe tomorrow, or if you want it this evening, let me know. We are going to vote for it so that I will know. So that when I come, it will be mutual agreement. Not when I come, I will not see anybody. So we are going to vote for it though. All right, see you people. Bye. I'm very, very tired though. I'm very, very tired. See you people. Bye.